you like about Shuffle?
I love everything about Shuffle.
Everything, the music
is awesome. People are awesome. Good vibes, good people.
Are you planning on coming back next?
Oh, I feel like
every month.
Oh, so you guys aren't new to this?
Nah.
No, always here.
Okay.
We shuffling all day.
Yeah, I did. I had a really good time.
What do you like about Shuffle?
The music was so good. I'm gonna be back next month.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, it was good. It was so good. One love, Tio.
Now I can't move with a sweep and a crunch. Now I see you, violent and dirty. And I wanna be like sex can sweat and drip on you in sweet jewels. And on my count, we're moving, 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 moving.
First time? This is our first time?
Yeah.
It's great, man.
Will you come back to Shuffle?
Hell yeah.
I probably
You know what? We were trying to go in March when the BBU was down here. But, yo, the lineup was crazy, man. We've been here since like party one. You know, good music, good vibes, good everything. Good girls. The cameramans are dope. Cameraman are sick. No, Shuffle next month. They got you.
Hard on the floor, makes it harder to touch. And now I can't move with a sweep and a crunch. Now I see you, violent and dirty. And I wanna be like sex can sweat and drip on you in sweet jewels. And on my count, we're moving, 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 moving.
Shuffle is phenomenal as always. As always. It wasn't rammed up as it usually is. We can't move, but it was rammed up just enough that it was a good jam. What else you need? Good tunes, the usual crowd, all in Toronto here.
Back next month?
Next month, and the month after that, and the month after that, and then the month after that I'm going to be in Miami for Carnival, and then the month after that I'll be back.
Moving. Moving, 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 moving.
Yeah.
That is finito. La fin.
Yeah? Okay.
C'est fini. Merci beaucoup. Thank you for coming to Shuffle today.
Thank you.